It is really good.
Can I try?
You could take a bite.
What is the sauce?
Just over. Yeah. Take a bite and pull that chicken.
I like this one.
Look at me. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna do one of my favorite foods, which is shawarma. We're doing chicken shawarma on the rotisserie system, on the shawarma maker. What I have today is chicken thighs. I'm gonna use chicken thighs. It's already been marinated. My wife marinated. I will put the ingredients in the description of how to marinate it. But first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna skewer this up. Then we're gonna wrap it, put it in the fridge for when we're gonna actually use the shawarma maker to make the shawarma. So first I'm gonna put this in a skewer. You're gonna have some leaning pieces. So we're gonna start out with the big chunks, like so. And then once everything's set and done, I'm gonna wrap it with the saran wrap and then put it back in the fridge for when it's ready to be cooked. Pieces are in. I'm not gonna put the last skewer on top because I don't need it. I'm just gonna saran wrap this. As you can see, I tightly wrapped it because I wanted to have this little round shape. So as it cooks, it kind of cooks evenly. So now this is gonna go into the fridge. And once we're ready to cook, we're just gonna take the saran wrap off and put it in front of the fire and just let it do its thing. So let's do it. Alright guys, it's shawarma time. We're gonna place this bad boy on our shawarma machine. Let's do that real quick. Alright, so let me zoom out so you guys can see. There's a hole up there. There's a hole up there. We're gonna put it through the hole. Then we're gonna set it into the mechanism. Sits right there. Now we're gonna take this wrap off. All right, the wrap is off. We're gonna turn on the rotisserie. We're gonna turn only one flame on. Let me turn the flame on. I don't know why the flame is not turning on. Everything's hooked up. There we go. We got flame. We're gonna just do one because last time when I did the rotisserie, it crisped it up. So we're just gonna do one. I'm gonna add water on top. And then we're gonna come back in about 20-30 minutes and see how it's doing. Alright guys, so here it is. This is the shawarma. I turned on both flames because I want to speed up the cooking. I'm making some homemade bread and some french fries. And then we have some fixing, some tzatziki sauce, some garlic sauce, and we're gonna do some tahini sauce as well. We're gonna have some pickles and tomatoes. I'm gonna show you guys when I start cutting into the chicken and put it into a bread. So let's do it. Alright guys, we're gonna start cutting into the chicken. So I'm gonna stop it. I'm gonna slowly cut into it like so. Oh my god. Rotate. Stop. Try to stay away from the heat because it's that burner is really hot. Alright, look at this, guys. This is what I'm talking about. This is the shawarma. Doing taste test. Oh, this is so good. Now let's put it in the middle of the bread, put the fixing in there, and take a bite. First, we're gonna start with the garlic paste. Then we're gonna do pickle. Couple of tomatoes. We're gonna put some tzatziki sauce. We're gonna grab some meat. Like so. And then we're gonna put some tahini. Give it a good mix. All over it. With the Christmas song in the background. All right. Look at that. All right, let's go for it. I can't even talk, it's so good. Oh. No match. I'll leave the ingredients down in the description. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, you need to hit that subscribe button because I want to make more good food like this and other projects. Hit the like, put your comments down below. Peace out.
Bye.